A gardener taught me how to make an eco-friendly fertilizer. When your plants are weakening and you've tried everything, give them this mixture. In the middle of summer, they will bloom beautifully again. You don't need to buy expensive products from the store. To prepare a natural fertilizer for your flowers, get a blender and put banana peels into it. Add coffee grounds and 6 eggshells. Then add a bit of water, close the blender, and blend everything into a smooth mixture. It looks like this. Apply it under the flowers, lifting the leaves to spread the fertilizer closer to the roots. Banana peels are rich in potassium, which supports blooming and strengthens roots. Coffee grounds contain nitrogen, which stimulates leaf development and healthy greenery. Eggshells provide the plants with phosphorus and calcium, which are essential for growth and strong stems. This mixture improves growth, supports blooming, and strengthens the plants. You can alternate it with the fertilizers we recommend in our other videos.